So today I will show you how to make sure that he gets hurt. I just made his hitbox like that, and inside the missile follow script, did not record everything I just did before, so you know. Sorry if it looks like I just skipped without you. Anyway, so until I got all this, you can copy, just pause if you want. And then over here, so over in your Mind Explode, and copy if you want. Yeah, Porcupine Boss 1. I've got extra audio sources. Got that. And here we go. Now just copy away. Alright, so then we can go over to here, and then I've got all that. Then you take damage, porcupine screen dot play. It's not really just gonna play or scream. That's it. So yeah, I guess you like my tutorial. I guess it's just this thing did not record. I thought it was recording the whole time. Please don't judge me. Anyway, bye-ish. Oh yeah, and reset attack. So yeah.